Hello, I am Stuart. Here in the video we will share the details of the No Man's Sky error code 126243-0x583D5_GX. As per our research, the error comes when users try to launch the game. According to our research, the error is mainly caused by an outdated GPU driver. So check if you need to update your GPU driver. If so, then update it and check for the error again. If the GPU driver is up to date, then check if you need to update No Man's Sky. If you see any pending updates for No Man's Sky, then consider installing the pending updates and then check for the error again. If you still see the error and you are using Twitch, then try uninstalling the Twitch and check if the error still occurs. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.